Welcome back, friends. In this video I am going to show you one more strategy to score 3 star easily. Okay, so what combination, troop combination you need to use is that you should have earthquake spell. 8 earthquake spell means they will be breaking uh, almost two compartments. Okay, so also you must have golems. uh, the player is using 4 golem with breach and bowlers. Okay, so you may think that he is using so much dark troops. Okay, 7 breach and 5 bowlers, but if you don't have so much of dark troops or you want to save your dark elixir, okay, so then you may use some other troop combination, as I have discussed in my earlier videos, that you may use miners. Okay, you may use the yetis, but if you want to uh, uh, save some of the simple elixir, then you may go for dark elixir and may use this type of troop combination. Okay, as you can see, 7 witch, 5 bowlers and 8 earthquake spell uh, will use a lot of dark elixir. Okay, what you mainly have to do is that you have to create two compartments. One compartment for the entry site. Okay, you may use your earthquake in this region, suppose, and one or 4 earthquake for exit side. Okay, also, if you are using 4 earthquake spell directly on the th, then the hit point of th is almost half of the hit point will be gone. Okay, and then you may use the log launcher to destroy the th without hampering any of the troop. You simply have to launch the log launcher, and since most of the barriers is already taken by the earthquake spell, then it will be very easy for the log launchers to destroy this th, which I am going to show you in this example. Okay, uh, and make sure that your heroes are not down, and it may last for little longer. Okay, let me show you the replay. See, friend, he have used 4 earthquake spell in this area. Okay, so in this way this scatter shot is being weakened up. Okay, and see, directly on the th, making this area open. Okay, and also you can see the hit point of the th is almost 40% down. Then he have deployed his golems. Okay, in this region, so that most of the hit points may be taken by the golem, and then the super wizards are surrounding these golems, and then he have launched the log launcher. See, very easily he will be taking down all the troops, all the buildings, different buildings which is uh, along the th part by this log launcher. Then he have deployed his warden. Okay, witches. Now witches is deployed, and you can see the queen is also there. Warden have used the ability quite faster because uh, since most of the troop will be saved by the warden's ability. Now the queen is going to take down the king because the king is busy with the golem. And you can see guys, this log launcher have uh, continuously deploying the logs and have almost destroyed my th, and within the next shot it will destroy my th completely. See, my th is gone without hampering any of the troops. Okay, and you can see two ATs have come out from this siege machine. This side, the whole side is being cleared by the witches and super wizards, and in other side the king with some bowlers and witches is being cleared, and the middle path is being taken by the queen. Okay, now since there was my queen, he have deployed an poison spell so that queen may not do more damage and can be tackled easily. Okay, one benefit of using this golem is that you can see after the golems is destroyed, even some golemites come out, and it help you to save some more and provide some more hit points. Okay, now king have tapped his ability. Now the royal champions have tapped his ability, and rest of the defense is being taken down. And you can see guys, this space is completely clear without any efforts. Okay, you can use this technique guys, and hope you have liked this video. Meet you in next video.